So my roommate's estranged, alcohol-loving uncle died, and this was his cook bag of recipes, and I'm gonna make one. I'm David Zarko, and this is Dead Greg's Recipes. Desserts. This is the desserts bag, and we are making Butterfinger Blondies. This is what I was given, and this is what I did.
This is terrible. I want to stop. It's like this thing has a hole in it. This is possible.
And then all there is left to do is serve it up and see what the roommate thinks. Okay, these are Butterfinger brownies.
Right up my alley. We gotta try without the vanilla ice cream
Okay,
first,
fine.
right?
Yeah.
Oh my god, dude!
That's really good.
It's got that really like hard chew to it, but also so soft at the same time. Oh my lord, mercy!
And biting into that really crispy edge is like such a nice feeling. It's tasty.
So wait, so how did you do the Butterfingers? Like you just threw the pieces in there?
I smashed it with a hammer.
The ice cream. Wow. This is what I need every day when I come home from work.
Not your wife, man.
What else is in it?
Who cares?
Oh, really? So it's a lot of Butterfingers. Yeah. No wonder Greg wrote this one down.
I don't think he made it up. I'm pretty sure that's probably something a lot of people make.
We'll find out in the comments, I guess.
But it's his handwriting, for sure.
Oh, yeah?
Yeah, 100%. 3, 2, 1.
No.
Oh, it's about
Pretty
right.
close, yeah.
That's dessert. That's how that's how we rate dessert. It's on the money right there.
Yeah.
Good stuff. All right, well, until next time on Dead Greg's Recipes. Here.
Oh my god.